Welcome to Rotronics Battery Management Solutions. My name is Ken Clark, and today I'm going to take you through the process of how to use the Rotronics EXP1000 Fleet Heavy Duty Battery Tester. So power up the EXP tester, ensuring the amp clamp is attached to the tester. The amp clamp will now be auto zero and should be placed around the negative cable of the battery being tested. Live current drain will now be displayed. Select System Test, enter your user initials along with type of test being performed. Enter the fleet number or vehicle registration number of the vehicle being tested. Enter the vehicle type being tested, so bus truck for 24 volt, car or LCV for 12 volt. Enter battery technology and information. Take ambient temperature. Test will now be performed. You'll now be asked to start the engine and perform the electrical system test and follow the on-screen instructions until the testing is complete. Results will now be stored onto the tester's internal SD card and can be printed off using an external thermal printer. Reduce the risk of premature battery failure using a proactive Rotronics battery management program.